I use Suno AI to create a full song without even going to a studio. This song playing right here got monetized on Audiomack by Suno AI. I know the first thing that came into your mind is impossible. This video is going to show you how you're going to create a full song with Suno AI within a couple of speeds without going to a studio and make money for yourself on Audiomack and of course Spotify. So before we jump right in, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video and comment down below. Suno AI is on the go. And boom. Now on Suno AI, you quickly sign up for an account using your Google account. Once that's done, you click right here to set in your name of your studio, and of course I'm typing JB Make Money. So basically what we need is to create our song using Suno AI. You simply click on create right here. But we need to script our song using ChatGPT to write the script for our song using this prompt I'm pasting right here. But if you don't want to use ChatGPT to write a script for your song, you can actually go back to Suno AI Magic Songwriter to get a script for your song right there. But the first thing you do, you simply choose the style of the music, whether it's a rap song, pop music or rock. I personally choose rap music. Let me know in the comment down below which style of song that best matches your curiosity. You simply click on create right here and watch the power of Suno AI. And boom, now our song is ready. You see there's a title on it, but we are going to give our song a title. Suno AI free music on Audiomack, now streaming, hashtag make money online. Now it's time for us to preview our song.
Oh yeah, we're changing and I was gonna show you how to make money, no doubt. Get ready, get set, let's ride and don't forget to hit that subscribe. In the morning, got the grind on my mind. Hustle through the day, never falling behind. JD, I'm the name, making money's the game. Stacking up the paper, putting others to shame. Started from the bottom, now I'm reaching the top. Every single move calculated, and never stop. Invest in the
You can actually make your song public on Suno AI and get to download it into your computer and create a free Audiomack or Spotify for people to actually download your song right there and make money online for yourself. Now let me know in the comment down below how you actually feel about Suno AI song generator. This AI tool is really groundbreaking. Enjoy the rest of your day with Suno AI and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell because the next AI video will be on speed. This video